another high-end burger joint in London. Welcome back to Dave Eats London. Well, it's another wintry day in London, and it's time to do another video. So, we found another one of these new gourmet burger joints that's opened up in London. This one's called the Burger Factory. It's a small franchise. It seems maybe they might have got 10. When I looked on their website, they might have 10 locations, all in Ontario. So, without further ado, let's just get there. Alright, so we've made our way here to the Burger Factory. We're at Adelaide and Fanshawe Park Road, right by the Home Depot and the Canada Trust, the TD Canada Trust. So we look over here, we'll just get Lucinda to give us a shot of this. This is the building that the Burger Factory's in, 580 Fanshawe Park Road. Tough place to figure out how to get into, believe it or not. You really have to come into the parking lot for Home Depot and then go over there. The other problem with the place seems to be is it has, well, 4 restaurants and an Oxford Learning Center, which seem to be pretty busy, and a parking lot big enough for one of those restaurants maybe. So we've parked at TD. We're going to go check it out. All right, this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This place is really, really busy.
Apple tornado here. Apple tornado. There we go. Okay,
Hey, that's me. I just want to ask you one thing before I go. I'm doing a video review on this restaurant, and I timed the onion rings and the potato. We're 13 minutes sitting here while you're waiting for the rest of the food. You sure you want me to take those for the video review?
I'm repeating that one more time for you.
Okay. All right, so we ended up here in the car. It's really busy in there. It's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This is the burger. This is a cheesy Lucy. So it's stuffed with cheese. It has cheese on it. They're a 5-ounce burger patty. Kind of a small bun. They are toasted. I think I got video, hopefully, of them smashing the burgers on the grill. But I'm going to try to get a bite of this without getting too dirty. So we'll see what happens. I don't see the cheese coming out of it yet, but it's a pretty good burger. Really. There's a lot of good burgers in town now, though. And there's the cheese starting to roll out of it. So, that's not a bad burger. Odd size. At 5 ounce. You know, usually they're 4 ounce or 6 ounce but anyways, we'll get the next thing out. All right, well, we'll get this long thing out of here after that, but these are the onion rings. Undercooked. Underwhelming. No. Not a good onion ring.
Was it a solid piece of onion or minced onion?
I think it might have been minced onion, like a Burger King onion ring. Let's have a look. Looks like minced onion, don't you think? Like a Burger King onion ring, kind of.
Yeah.
Burger King onion rings are terrible. These might be better if they were cooked a little more. They're just too soft. This crazy thing. What was the price on this? $3.99, $4.99?
$4.99, I believe.
They're like spiral cut potatoes. It's like French fries on a stick. But we'll take a try of it. Now it doesn't look like it got cooked all the way down to the end down here. Looks a little raw. See it down at this end here? I don't know if they just weren't spread out. A little raw. This end up here, well, it's pretty crispy. Doesn't even taste like they're seasoned at all. But All right, now this sandwich. You remember what this sandwich was called?
The utility.
The utility. So this is one of the more expensive things on the menu. This was like about 14 bucks, wasn't it, Lucinda?
$14.99.
Onions, mushrooms, steak. I think it also has burger patty on there, mozzarella cheese. It's got peppercorn mayonnaise. Another thing that looks like it's going to be pretty messy. I expected something to be a lot bigger than this for that kind of money. That's just me. Maybe I'm expecting too much. Cheese going everywhere. The sandwich is pretty good. It's very moist. I don't know if you can tell, but the bun has a hard time holding itself together in there. See it just coming apart at the bottom? Either it's cut too deep or it's just too wet, but taste-wise, it's all right. I think it needs to be a little more seasoned for me. I'd probably put a little more salt and pepper on it when I continue eating it, but not bad. All right, so that was the food. We'll tell you what we thought. We'll tell you what we paid. The burger I thought was pretty good. It was stuffed with cheese. The bun was nice. It was toasted. The toppings were fresh. It was a 5-ounce burger, odd size, but all in all, it was all right. Would you agree with that, Lucinda?
Yes.
The price might have been a little high. What was the price of that burger? $9.99?
I believe so.
$10 for that burger. High in price, I would say. Again, my thoughts. How about the sandwich? The utility, is that what it was called?
Yes.
It was delicious. The peppercorn mayo was good. The bun didn't stand up to the moistness of the sandwich, so it kept blowing out. It was good. I thought it was a little high price for 14 bucks. But the peppercorn mayo was delicious. It was delicious. Now let's get to the rest of it here. That potato, they call it the tornado. Yeah, it's a fair novelty as far as I'm concerned. It's not something they should have in their restaurant. The thing goes cold instantly when you take it out. It's not well seasoned. It's tough to get a proper cook on it. Some places the potato's really well done. Some places the potato's almost raw. Now we did have a little problem with that. They did have that ready way before they had our burgers ready. They had that ready and then they started cleaning the grill. It was 14 or 15 minutes, but they did go ahead and make us more potato and more onion rings. So let's talk about the onion rings. They remind me of Burger King onion rings, which I would say are the worst. But you don't have that designation anymore, Burger King. You got to up your game over here at Burger Factory. Those onion rings are terrible. Like, really. Buy Olmsted. Buy the ones with a real piece of onion in there and have at least an average onion ring rather than a below average onion ring. Terrible, terrible onion rings. The price for that was $38 and change. We were going to get a funnel cake because they have funnel cakes there, but we forgot. You can go to a nicer restaurant than that for the money and a place you can find parking. I would say they make a decent burger, but they've got to up their game. I would say there's better places to go for the same or less money in London right now. So, well, that was the Burger Factory. We had high hopes from the place. It may do all right. Leave a comment below if you've been there. Subscribe, hit the like button, and look for us next time, because I'm Dave, and this has been Dave Eats London.